winter project. Starting a little late though. Just got it last summer. Took it out for a spin. Lost compression on number one. I've never rebuilt an outboard motor, so this is going to be my first attempt at this. It's a Mariner Magnum 2 150. So we're just going to start digging into this and take a couple little videos along the way. Got the heads off already. I'm going to try keeping everything together as much as possible, but I don't see that happening. I already took the bolts off of this. So now we're going to move into taking off some of the electrical. Let's see what happens. Well, before I do that, while I'm doing that, then the rest of the bolt I'm going to clear and reupholster. Oh, now you can't see. All in all, it's in pretty decent shape. The clear coat's popping off pretty bad, but everything else works. Live wells, all the electrical works. It's got a tilt issue up front on the handle. That doesn't work, but it does work back here and up front. So here we go.